Madam, if I talk about tracks, with almost 80% of traffic carried on 40% of the rail network, which is the high-density network, routes are oversaturated and there is a crying need to upgrade and expand capacity to reduce congestion, provide time for maintenance, and improve productivity and safety. This would include progressive shift to flash butt technology for welding of rails, progressive use of 60-kilo rails instead of 50-kilo rails, provision of thick web switches at points of crossing, mechanized maintenance with at least track machines, and increased frequency of ultrasound testing of tracks. During the next 5 years, I plan to modernize 19,000 kilometers through renewals, upgradation of tracks, replacement and strengthening of 11,250 bridges, to run heavier freight of 25-ton axle load, and to achieve passenger train speed of 160 kilometers an hour with the estimate expenditure of, in the 5 years, rupees 63,212 crore and allocation of rupees 6,467 crore has been made in the annual plan of 2012-13, which forms about 11% of the total plan outlay. Madam, I talked about that 19,000 kilometer, which is the dense use of the line. Almost 80% of the entire traffic is on this 19,000 kilometer of track. Railways have about more than 1 lakh kilometer. I had to start somewhere. So I decided to start at this 19,000 kilometer, which represent 80% of the traffic. So signaling track, whatever I am doing is I am starting with this 19,000 kilometer, which runs from the length and breadth of the country, and there is no state which doesn't receive the benefit of this. Signaling system on Indian Railways will be modernized with the provision of advanced technological features. These would include panel routes, interlocking. Madam, there are a lot of technical data. Perhaps the members of parliament would like to listen. I'll just go through a little. One of the significant achievements would be provisioning of train protection warning system, which ensures automatic application of brakes whenever a driver overshoots a signal at danger, thereby eliminating chances of collision of train. To begin with, TPWs is proposed to be installed on more than 3,000 route kilometers, which would cover the entire automatic signaling territory of Indian Railways, which I personally feel a big achievement. We are taking necessary action to ensure that TPW's technology is suitably adopted by Indian conditions. Besides that, efforts to develop TICAS, integrating features, different technologies, will be continued by RDSO. This would be a prerequisite to increase speed of passenger trains to 160 kilometers per hour. The total cost of various signaling and telecom works has been estimated in the 5 years is rupees 39,110 crore, and towards this I propose to provide rupees 2,002 crore in year 2012 and 13, which is more than double the allocation of the current year and highest ever. Modernization of rolling stock, upgradation of coaching including EMU coaches, locomotives and wagons will be one of the key areas of modernization during the next 5 years. So improving safety and convenience and comfort of passengers, following measures, Madam, are proposed. To increase manufacture of crash-worthy LHB coaches with proven anti-climb features and not toppling during accidents. To procure new generation electric locomotive of 9,000 and 12,000 horsepower and diesel locos of 5,500 horsepower and 6,000 horsepower to facilitate running of heavier, longer freight trains at higher speeds.